Welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be talking about books I read in January. So I'm very happy we're in February now because I am so over this winter. But I spent a lot of time reading in January because it's too cold to go anywhere. So I read 8 books, but 4 of them were short story in a series. And this series is called The Shorts, and this is by Nia Forster. And the first one is called Still, the second one is Coffee Date, the third one is Just Lunch, and the last one is Table for Two. And this is a really interesting short story series that I really enjoyed. I'm definitely gonna do a full review on them, but what I would say, it deals with regret, it deals with dealing with the past and moving forward in a relationship where there's a lot of uncertainty, and I really enjoyed this series. But I'm going to talk more about it again in another video. The third book I want to this was the 5th book, is The Last Black Unicorn by Tiffany Haddish. And this is a memoir where she talks about her childhood, relationships she had, and breaking into the entertainment business. And one thing I learned from this book is she is not new to the entertainment business. She was around for a very long time before she got that role in Girl Trip that really put her out there as, this booming, fabulous, hilarious character that we all are getting to know more of. And I really enjoyed this. I laughed very hard. I laughed when she talks about serious things, because she still found a way to have humor to it where you can still enjoy it. I also laugh when she talks about a character named I don't even want to give it away, but there's a character she talks about where I'm like, I literally laughed so hard. And but she still had this spirit about her, this drive about her, and it's a sort of innocence about her where she didn't even realize how funny she was when she was younger, and how much comedy really helped her and help her be stable when she could have easily fall apart based on all the things that was happening to her. So I really enjoyed this. It's definitely a good read. The next book is a buddy read that I did with Todd the Librarian, which is called Midworld by Alan Dean Foster. And this book is a sci-fi that literally, had me getting my imagination intact, because as a person that don't read a lot of sci-fi, you struggle with the imagination part. But I loved it. It made me want to read more books in this genre. And, I love the adventure. I love the creation of this forest and this being and connecting to nature. I love it. I'm definitely going to read some more sci-fi and in the future and see where that, how much I really love this genre that I don't typically read. So we'll see. But the last one now in the series is 2 books, and this is from Mary Monroe, and I am a big fan of Mary Monroe. So naturally, this new series that she has out, I was curious, so I decided to pick up the first one. And the series is called Lonely Heart, Deadly Heart. And the first book, I was just like, yes, this is good. Okay. And the way it ended, I'm like, oh, I can't wait to get to the second one. And I'm like, yes, we're getting there. Okay, this is good. And then when I get to the end of it, I'm like, really? So now I have to get to the third one before I even know what's going to happen. It's a lot of suspense. You're expecting someone life in danger, and they potentially might get killed. And the killer's talking. The killer is in the picture, but you don't see what's going to happen yet. So it's a slow burn, and it's dragging a bit. But I definitely want to finish it, and I definitely still am entertained by it. But the suspense is just killing me. But definitely gonna be picking up the third book this month. So, and that would be it for, that's all the books I read. Now for the month of February, it is Read Soul Lit month. I've been participating in this for about 4 years now. I've always done the photo challenge, and I've read I think 2 of the books out of the 3 that the past 3 years. So, but this year I am definitely going to be reading this book, which is Tar Baby by Toni Morrison. And this book has been on my bookshelf for probably maybe 5-6 years. And so when I found out this was going to be the book this year, I was very excited, and I'm really looking forward to reading this. So if you're interested, you can check out Dee Dee from Brown Girls Reading, and I'm going to put her video that she did on how we're going to read this as a group, and in the description bar. And she's also doing other things that we are going to, including me and other booktuber, participate, where we're going to do videos. There's videos daily on certain people's channel of what a certain topic that's related to Read Soul Lit. And mine will be on February 13th, so check that out. But she also have a video on the other booktubers that I'm going to put in the description bar, where you go on, check out their videos and topics that related to Read So Lit. And all this is in support of Black History Month. So if you're not familiar with that, it is a beautiful month to celebrate African American history, and we do it in literature. So yeah. And anything else that I feel like you guys should really check out, I will put in the description bar. If you are on Instagram, just do hashtag readsoullit, and you will definitely see a bunch of pictures. And if you want to join the challenge, not too late. We're just in the third month of the year, so here, the third day in the month, and you can definitely participate. It's fun and it's interesting. So anyway, that is all I will be talking about today. I will be reading more books, of course, but for right now, I just want to focus on Read So Lit for now. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.